Hey up YouTubers, how are we? Hope we're all keeping safe out there. Last week we uploaded a video. We went from Glen Riddin over Kirkstone Pass down to Bowness. This week we're going to go from Bowness down to Newby Bridge, but we're not going to go down the side of Windermere. We're going to go down the A5074, different route. Then we're going to head over to Newby Bridge. If you fancy a bit of that and see the different route of how to get into the lakes, stick around, stay tuned. Vinegar Joe's, we all know where that is. We're going to turn left here. This takes you out, instead of running all the way down the side of the lake. You can also pick this road up just past where the ferry goes across Windermere. Turn left there up the hill, and you'll come to a T-junction and then turn right onto this road. I can't read my sat nav, I've got my glasses on. It's the I'll stick a thing somewhere here down the bottom, a subtitle of which one it is. And as you can see, nobody uses it. It's one of the best kept, don't tell anybody though, it's one of the best kept secrets in the Lake District, is this, because nobody uses it. And you can just come down here, and there's no cars. I'll say that now, there'll be a massive line of them. So yeah, you can pick this road up if just on our right here, because if you come up by where the ferry goes across, just past there, that's where that is. That's where you come up, and you'll turn right and come up this road here. And you're straight into national speed limits. Ryback, lovely lunch and dinner. Instead of following all the holiday makers going down the side of Windermere, come this way. Look at it, it's beautiful, beautiful. You can also pick it up at the bad corner where the speedboat museum is, which will bring you just out up there and turn right again. So you can pick it up on three ways if you come out of Bowness. If you don't pick it out just past the fish and chip shop on the left, you can pick it up another couple of times. And then we head out more southwest. So Windermere is behind us now. And look at it. Lovely corners. Little village down here, I can't remember what it's called. She has a 30-mile-an-hour limit. But, you know, you can see there's no sharp bends. It's not single track road. It's just, and it's lovely tarmac. Probably better than going down the side of the lake. Because some of that tarmac down there, it's shocking. Shocking, I say. Shocking. Yeah, Winster. Little village called Winster. I do as the locals would do. 30 mile an hour. Only about a mile and a half through. That's all. Well, look at the tarmac. Nobody uses it, you can tell. And over there is Windermere. Stop following the masses. Go somewhere else. Back into national speed limit. Last week, and I followed cows and calves all the way up here. And I was talking to you guys and girls, and nobody could hear me because I plugged the microphone in, hadn't I? I put a bit of footage of that up. It was just round there. They went up, just up there on the left. Yeah, you can go up to national speed limit. Like I say, there's no nasty corners, no nasty surprises. Nice few twisties through around and onto the road. Nobody on it. On the side of Windermere now, look at cars, and you'd be lucky if you can do it 20 mile an hour. Get yourself this way. When you're coming out of the Lake District, or even coming in. These pubs, leisure centres, hotels still shut. That can catch you out. You think it goes straight there, but it doesn't. It still goes around the corner. I think that's about the only thing round here that can catch you out. So yeah, just up this hill here, we're going to turn right now. We're going to head down towards Bowness Bridge and back to Newby Bridge. Well, this is a nice little road, so if you just carry on up there around that corner, and you'll end up down the Lythe Valley and out at Levens, and saved yourself cutting all that off there. So, nice tip for you guys and girls, all you YouTubers. If nobody's ever been this way, this is another nice. I used to come over here going to Kendal. It runs over the tops to Kendal instead of going down the A590. When I was 17 on my 350 LC. Excuse me, that's that coconut coming back up. Pardon me. Keep forgetting about you lot here with me. How uncouth. Yeah, I sort of know the road, but you know, being an advanced rider, you need to be looking ahead, understanding where everything's going, possibly where everything goes, where the road goes, what could be ahead, what could not be ahead. You know, and when it's safe to do so, use the road, George. Unless there's a solid white line in the middle of that road, then you can't go on the other side of the road. It's one road. Use it when it's safe to do so only. So yeah, this hasn't got a bit of a speed limit through, but you know, it's a nice little village. Don't ride like a, you know what I mean. Just come down this hill and over that one back bridge and take off on my LC. When you were young and daft. I've got one in the garage. I haven't done a video on it yet. There will be one coming soon. Same colour, blue and white, 1981.
350 LC. Oh, brilliant bikes, brilliant bikes. I've no idea how I used to ride it like I did. But yeah, Strawberry Bank, Mason's Arms. There. So we haven't got cars in the middle of the road, we've got walkers in the middle of the road. I must think the road's closed. I'm going to stop here, I think. Not usually. Look at that. Look at that. Now the Lythe Valley that you'll be going down, it's not that one, it's the one over, you can see the one over there, over the top of here. I don't know which one that is, what that is. I'll find out for you and I'll put it down. But there's no main road through that, the main road goes that way, over the top of there, that limestone. Yeah, some places, some awesome, lovely places to be living around here. Can't beat it. Well, you can, because you know, it's like that sort of thing. Because you live here, you don't appreciate it. A lot of people don't. I love going over to Yorkshire. That's mostly where I go on days out now. For a couple of hours out, a couple of lakes, no problem. I say it's just up the road. But anywhere else, long day out, Yorkshire Dales for me. What's that? Yeah. Ooh. Why did he drive in the middle of the road? Why? You car drivers, you're dangerous. Stop driving in the middle of the road. Weird, absolutely weird. Does my head in, as they say. Does my head in. And that's one of the problems with riding around roads like this, especially the ones that haven't got white lines in the middle of them, because people don't know which side to go on. I think that was what it must be. So yeah, I'll travel over Strawberry Bank, and then we drop into the other side, which is Windermere. So we're doing a bit of look at that, ladies and gents. Now I've got the microphone on, you might better hear me. There's Lakeside. This is Windermere, not Lake Windermere, because it's not a lake, it's a mere. Sometimes you can see when the red arrows are out, they come down here, and they come right down the valley through there. I can't remember what the valley is. Right, that must be Alzheimer's. And they come right down here. I've sat here once and seen them below us, running down there in the formation. Awesome. Up over the top, we've got Dow Crag, Old Man of Coniston, and then in the distance there you've got the Langdales, you've got Pavey Ark, Dungeon Gill, through there. But yeah, this is like 10 minutes away from my house. Well, if you can see right down there, you might better see on the GoPro, you see Hoard Monument. which is Ulverston, and that's where we're going now. Get yourself up here, guys and girls, it's lovely. Oh yeah, I've just put a hex can on this. I bought it second hand. It's not the first. It's not the second generation. It's only the first one. I was looking for one, and one came up on one of the Facebook sites for sale, and thought, awesome, I love that. So I stuck it on yesterday. I haven't done a video because I think there's hundreds of videos about them. And I got the Denali sound bomb horn with it. Jeez, this is fell foot, or the parking for fell foot park on the side of the bottom of Windermere. Because if you go in there, you have to pay. Oh, and that's why, because it's closed. So they're all parking on the road, and they're all down there. Yeah, Denali sound bomb. Don't know if you better hear it really on this, but it's like a fucking one of those. It's like a wagon. Well, it's a Denali air sound bomb horn, isn't it? It's awesome. I think I don't think they knows what's sort of going on. Slow down a little bit. I hope we're still recording, so with you. Yeah, and then back into Newby Bridge. So instead of coming up to this roundabout, going up the side of Windermere, go up the A686 or something, I can't remember. I'll put a thing down. Then go up there, it beats cutting all that off, and you get no traffic. It's awesome. So all the road from Newby Bridge down through Greenodd and into where I live is a bit boring. So YouTubers, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that little run, and I hope the microphone is working. Any comments? Comment down below. Anything you'd like to say, anywhere you'd like to know where to get to in the Lake District. This is my backyard. I'm going to put some more routes on. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. The subscribers are now growing and growing, which is good. Thank you all. I hope you're all enjoying it. So, as they say, keep safe out there, keep biking, and as they say, we'll see you soon.